we go.
We're getting ready. The first car in is Jake Pushard. And number 96, Jake's from Sabatis. Jake Pushard. Number 88 is Dwayne Evans of Bozeman. Number 922, Conrad Carr of Turner. Number 517 is Colby Ormsby of Hartswell. Number 28 is Zachary Ormsby. Yep. Thank you, Colby. I appreciate that. You drove just like that in high school. Zachary of Woolwich, number 23, and one of our auction cars, Nate Brewer out of Hartswell, number 130. Boy, I think we need some water. The 50-50 is up to $1,250. $1,250. Man. We have to wait until the fire trucks are all in place and loaders are in place. And then Sean's going to give us the thumbs up. God only knows if we can see.
Yeah.
Alex Bursley, are you on the loader? Can you go get the water truck?